Today I'm going to show you how to create guilloche patterns in Affinity. A guilloche is a decorative, precise, and repetitive pattern that's engraved into materials. You'll often see it on luxury watches and jewelry. There are actually many different types of guilloche patterns, but I'll show you a simple one. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then switch to Move tool, align it horizontally to the center and position it slightly above the vertical center line. Remove the fill color, keep the stroke color, which is black, and make sure the stroke width is 1 point. Next, click Shape Tool Settings and enable Transform Origin. You'll see a small origin point appear in the center. Drag it downward a little, about here. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the circle, then rotate it by 5 degrees. After that, just keep pressing Ctrl J repeatedly until the full pattern forms. Nice! Now let's add some color. Select everything, then group it from the context toolbar. Go to the Layers panel, click Layer Effects. On the pop-up window, I'll select Gradient Overlay. Click the gradient thumbnail to edit the colors. You can pick whatever colors you prefer, but I'll set one side to purple and the other to light blue. Change the angle to 135 degrees. You can adjust other settings if you like, but I leave it like this and click Close. And there's our guilloche pattern. Let's create another one using a different shape. I'll hide this first. Then grab the donut tool. Draw it. Switch to Move tool and align it the same way as the previous one. Make sure to remove the fill color. Leave the stroke color to black. Change the stroke width to 1 point. And make sure Enable Transform Origin is checked in Shape Tool Settings. Drag the origin downward again. Then press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Rotate it 5 degrees and keep pressing Ctrl J until the pattern is complete. Drag to select all, go to Context toolbar and click Group. Then go to Layer Effects and apply a gradient overlay again. This time I'll choose red on one side and orange on the other. Adjust the angle, click Close, and here's another guilloche pattern. You can experiment with different shapes and rotation angles to create unique variations. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.